Dive into English. Mastering, dive into the water. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as easy as diving into a pool on a hot summer day. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dive into the water, and how it's used not just literally, but also figuratively in the English language. Stay tuned to dive deeper into this interesting phrase. Dive into the water is a phrase that, on the surface, describes the action of jumping into water head first. It's a physical action that involves propelling oneself into a pool, lake, ocean, or any body of water. The key elements here are intention, direction, and action. To dive, you must decide to jump in a specific way, aiming downward into the water, often with speed and purpose. At its most basic, dive into the water is taken literally. It means to leap into water, especially by going head first and with your arms stretched out in front of you. This is a common action at swimming pools, beaches, and diving competitions. The literal dive requires courage and skill, as it's more than just a simple jump. It's about embracing the water below with both precision and grace. Interestingly, dive into the water can also be used figuratively to describe immersing oneself completely into a task or activity. When someone says they're diving into a project, they mean they're giving it their full attention, energy, and focus. This usage highlights dedication, enthusiasm, and sometimes the idea of starting something new with a splash. Let's look at some examples to see how versatile this phrase can be. Literal use: she took a deep breath and dived into the water, feeling the coolness envelop her. Figurative use: after months of preparation, he's finally ready to dive into the water of his new business venture. These examples show how dive into the water can vividly convey both a physical action and a metaphorical leap into new experiences. Whether you're literally jumping into a lake or metaphorically plunging into a new hobby, dive into the water is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of embarking on something with full force and enthusiasm. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase. Remember, learning English is an adventure, and sometimes, you just have to dive in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.